This is going to be a continuation of the last Python video, creating a virtual environment. And what we're going to do now is we're going to access that virtual environment and we're going to create our first Python program. So to do that, remember the virtual environment we created was right here, virtual environment. So we're going to change directory to virtual environment, and my virtual environment is the name of it. Now, as a recap, if you didn't watch my video on Linux commands, ls, as you see, will list out the contents of a directory. Change cd is change directory. You're going to go from one directory to another. So what we did here is we listed out the present working directory right there. These are the files or directories. We know that they're directories because they are blue. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to activate this. So let's go back up one, and we're going to say source my virtual environment /bin /activate. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. So we want to go here and there. Now we are in the virtual directory, or virtual environment rather, sorry. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a file for our Python by saying touch. We're going to call it hello world.py, and if we list it out, we're going to see our file was created, but it doesn't have anything in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one line of Python in there, and we're going to do that by saying sudo nano. Sudo means super user do. Nano is a text editor that comes by default with Ubuntu. That's the operating system that we're using. So we're going to sudo nano hello world.py. Now you have to enter your password. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to type print, the word print, followed by open and closing braces. Now we're going to go back one to get in the center of them, and we're going to have open and close parentheses. And in here, within these parentheses, we're going to type hello world. Okay, hit end on the keyboard, and then hit Control X, Y, enter. So our file was edited and saved, and what you're going to do right now is you're going to type Python hello _ world.py, and see this right here, hello world. You just wrote your very first Python program. I hope this video helped you. I hope it sparked your curiosity and that you're going to want to write more Python. And as we progress in this video, we're going to graduate from the command line to a program called Spider, which is an IDE, or integrated development environment, and we'll get to it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that. Thank you.